This is the first cook on the new Blackstone griddle. We seasoned it just a couple days ago, and we finally got it out to actually cook on it. I'm pretty excited. Of course, I had to do Oklahoma smash burgers as the very first cook. Couldn't do anything else. It's, I'd say, sacrilege otherwise. Of course, my sous chef doesn't have the onions on hers.
Nope.
But, so what can you say? But what I did for mine was I made a single and a double Oklahoma smash burger with onions and American cheese. You could put mustard on this thing as well. I did not choose to do that today just because it's getting late and I want to get this video completed so we can take care of the little pickle we have inside. Yeah. So go ahead and dive into these things here, but this is definitely a pretty good meal from what I'm seeing. A couple of things about this cook I'm happy with and not happy with. So the burger patties themselves were just under 3 ounces each, which I think is a pretty good size for a smash burger. You can double up on it and not feel like you're getting too much meat or being bloated fresh tonight when you eat these. So that's a good thing there. I used our spiralizer, which actually can slice the onions. However, I think the onions are still a little bit too thick. Oh, Southwest are a little bit too thick. Not sponsored, and didn't caramelize as well as I wanted them to. I think you probably saw that when they flipped it, they weren't as, or took it off the grill, they weren't as griddle, weren't as caramelized as a normal smash burger I've done in the past when I manually sliced them. I think there are different mandolins out there that we can do a better job at slicing the burger, which I think I would do next time. Excuse me, slicing the onions to get a more very thin onion, so it caramelizes and becomes translucent, and there's that flavor of the crisp onion on the burger, which what you come to expect with Oklahoma onion burger. Of course, all that doesn't matter to my sous chef, who just got hers plain. So let's ask her what she thinks of her burger. And she also has bacon too, which I did not put online. So we can go.
It's pretty good. I mean, the patties are pretty crispy at the edge. Not in the middle, but in the edge.
Yeah, there's good caramelization with the beef itself along the edges of the burger. So we've done this a lot on the Big Green Egg. How do you think this compares to that?
I don't know.
Is it like apples and oranges? You can't really compare them. There you go. You heard it from her, apples and oranges. Don't try to compare what you can do on a barbecue grill with charcoal, lump charcoal, and post oak wood we can get on a propane griddle. They're two different things. I think we try to compare too much these days. I say let's not try to compare, let's try to just appreciate what each one can do, and we all become happy because we get delicious meals either way. Yeah. Thanks for watching, everybody. Not much else to say here, but I just want to say please comment, like, subscribe on this. Any questions, let me know. I have a couple list queue in my mind right now of what I want to do on this new Blackstone griddle. Please let me know if anything you want to see personally, and we'll put that into the queue. Thanks for watching, everybody. This YouTube channel, and as always,
Keep barbecuing America.
exactly. Cheers.